You can build a web page using HTML on a Chromebook. To start, visit the Chrome Web Store, type in Caret, and select Apps. Click the Caret option. Select Add to Chrome. Click Add App to give Caret permission to store files in your Google Drive. Launch Caret on your Chromebook. To start coding, click Plain Text at the bottom of the window and select HTML from the options. From the File menu, choose Save File. Select My Drive. You may want to save your web page in a folder to keep your files organized. Type the file name index.html. When done, click Save. You can now type your HTML coding into Caret. When you are ready to preview your web page, save the changes. Keep Caret open. On your Chromebook, open the Chrome web browser. Press the keys Ctrl and O at the same time to open the saved web page. Select the index.html file from your Google Drive. You may have saved it in a folder. Click Open. The web page will open in the Web Browser tab. To continue to work on your page, click on Caret. Make sure you leave the browser open. Both windows can be open at the same time on your Chromebook. This lets you write the code and then preview it. Type the code for your web page into Caret. To see what it looks like, save the changes. To view the web page, view the Chrome browser. Click Refresh to see the changes.